Hi guys, it's Miss Crisp, and I know that we talked a little bit about cause and effect this week, but I thought I would make just a short video in case you needed a refresher just before you do a fun activity with cause and effect. So what is cause? The cause is why something happened. So the cause is always going to come first before the effect. The cause is why something happened. Without the cause, there would not be an effect. So the cause has to come first. The effect. The effect is what happened. So what happened because of the cause? The cause has to come first, followed by the effect, and the effect is what happened. We're going to watch a short video about cause and effect.
Cause and effect. I got into big trouble yesterday. It all started when I was walking my dog, Puddles. Puddles saw my cousin Dana on her way back from the grocery store. She broke off of her leash, jumped up on Dana, and Dana's groceries spilled all over the ground. And that wasn't even the worst of it. An innocent bypasser, just walking along, slipped on a banana. Yeah, and it gets worse. He bumped into a police officer who blew his whistle, and his partner sped up like it was a crime scene. There's a lesson in all of this. Look out for causes and effects. An effect is something that happens, like Dana spilling her groceries. A cause is why that thing happens. In this case, because Puddles jumped up on her. An effect sometimes has more than one cause, like the police officer blowing his whistle. It happened because the man slipped, because Dana dropped her groceries, and because Puddles got off her leash. A cause sometimes has more than one effect. Look at all the commotion Puddles caused. Oh, and there's another lesson in all of this. Never let Puddles get off her leash.
Okay, so like the video said, one cause can have 3, 4, 5, it can have a bunch of effects. But those effects would not happen if the cause did not happen first. So if Puddles never got off his leash, Dana wouldn't have dropped her groceries, the bypasser wouldn't have slipped on the banana, and the police officer wouldn't have blown his whistle. So one cause can have multiple effects. Some signal words that you can look for when looking for the cause and effect are because, so, since, as a result, and there are many more, but these are just common ones that can help you. A few examples of cause and effect. So think about it. Jake forgot to put on sunscreen, so he got a sunburn. What do you think the cause is, and what do you think the effect is? I'll give you a couple seconds to think about it. So the cause, Jake forgot to put on sunscreen. That had to happen first for the effect to happen, right? So the cause is Jake forgot to put on his sunscreen. That is what happened first. The effect. So he got a sunburn. The effect only happened after the cause and because of the cause. It's the result of what happened. So Jake forgot to put on sunscreen is the cause, and so he got a sunburn is the effect. Think about this example. Cassie's alarm did not go off, so she was late for school. What happened first? The cause. Cassie's alarm did not go off. That's what happened first. That's the reason why she was late for school, so that is the cause. The effect. So she was late for school. That's the result of the alarm not going off. She was late for school. So looking at both of them, the cause was Cassie's alarm did not go off, and the effect was so she was late for school. The last example is from A Crash Course in Forces in Motion with Max Axiom, which is the nonfiction narrative we read this week. So it's an object is still. It stays still until any force moves it. What do you think the cause is, and what do you think the effect is? The cause was an object is still. This is the cause because it happens first. It's why something happened. So the effect is what happened because of that. It stays still until any force moves it. So the cause, an object is still. The effect, it stays still until any force moves it. So now you can go ahead and complete the rest of the activities for this lesson. Have fun!